million times today. Another toy review. But don't worry, this one's going to be the best toy review. I'll be right back when I get this done. We got Viewmaster. The little cards in here.
My bananas, you were going to get...
And the glasses. So I don't know if it would work if I showed you it, but...
Do you like it when it's this bright?
Nope. I'm not really hungry anymore.
Okay.
I'm going to take this card out, put it in the cars, and try this. This looks good. Let's get it. I guess I'll do this one, because all of the other ones are Thomas. See if you guys will be able to see it through. Nope, this is not the right card. I was gonna do this one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can you see that? Look at that. Awesome. Let's switch this around. Upside down. Let's look at that. This is epic. I love this thing. If I turn around, it's even brighter. Did you see any mini? That is awesome. Okay, this game just got... Let's do the Thomas one, I guess. They have SpongeBob. Doing the SpongeBob one. Yep. Spin. Got it? Let me tell you the picture. SpongeBob looking at Gary on the floor. Okay. The rat stuck on the wall? Whoa, okay. That's too much. Oh, it's upside down. Oh my gosh, okay. Spin. There. There's SpongeBob in the bathtub, but it's upside down. Let's just switch that around. When I switch it around, it's dark. Okay, this is kind of fun, actually. I love this. I'm not going to use the other one to see if you guys can... They have Mickey Mouse, Movie Land, Winnie the Pooh, one more SpongeBob ones. This is random, try me. Let's do the random one then. I saw there was a Backyardigans and a SpongeBob. I kind of cheated on that one. Now let's show you guys it. Oh my gosh, and now let's...
Sure does seem like Sunday, doesn't it?
Yeah. Awesome, okay. All of them. Okay. SpongeBob. We have a Love Bug, I guess it's called SpongeBob. Goldilocks, the Three Bears. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I know this one is missing out the Goldilocks one. I actually does creep me out, but I'll show you guys so you guys can get creeped out. Let's try it. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you. Okay. So in this picture, there is absolutely nothing. Yep. In that picture, I don't know what's going on. I guess Goldilocks is. So let's flip that over. In this picture, I see bears screaming at a little boy. That's sad. That's a sad picture. Gosh, you guys look very close. He's crying. The boy's like bleeding and stuff. SeaWorld of San Diego. Bambi? I guess. You should use it on the other flashcard thing. Okay. Reindeer. This is what's going on in that picture? Oh, these girls are about to kiss and baby's like, oh. And the pony's like, this is the funniest thing in history. I'm not using the simple lamb. Please. That's awesome. Movie watch. See? There's nothing to see. There's nothing when I put my. Oh my gosh. Please. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like. Best way in the history, I say history. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, please comment, and please subscribe. I'm playing video games, and I'll see you later. Bye. Take it easy.